Today we're going to show you how to change a Toyota RAV4 Key Fob battery, which we've got right here. In order to do this, you need a CR2016 battery. We've got those in the description in the links below, so click on that to help you out. And then we just need a screwdriver. So the first thing we're going to do is there's a little tab right here on the corner of the key. We insert our screwdriver into that, and then we're just going to pry open. That's going to open up the key. Now, a little trick people don't know is you want to turn this key over so that the buttons are face down, and that's going to prevent the key buttons from falling out and save you a little bit of time. Now we want to take the battery module, we're going to pry that out of there, just gently pull that out, and then we're going to have access to the battery module. Now on the battery module, there's a little arrow. It says use coin to open, or you can use a screwdriver, and there's a ledge on this one corner. You're going to take your coin or your screwdriver, you're going to pry that open, and that's going to give you access to the battery module. Now be very careful here. These little battery tabs that hold it in are very fragile, so when you take this out, you just want to be gentle. You're going to just pry from one corner of the battery. That's going to remove the old CR2016 battery. And when you insert the new one, this is very important. You want to make sure the plus symbol is up on the CR2016 battery. We're going to gently place this in so we don't damage any of those plastic tabs. Put a little pressure on the spring right here, and then sometimes you got to put back pressure to kind of get it under those tab ledges. Now we're going to take our cover for the battery module for the Toyota RAV4 Key Fob. We're going to press down, and then we're going to reinsert this into the Toyota RAV4 Key. And we're going to take our cover, we're going to put it back in place, and we're going to snap it in place. And that is how you change a Toyota RAV4 Key battery. This is going to work for both 3-button and 4-button versions of the Toyota RAV4 Key Fob. So thanks for watching. Give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.